Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Money's YouTube channel. I am Natalia. Credit cards, when used in a very disciplined way, can be a great tool to improve your financial health by saving money and by also increasing your credit score. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 ways how a credit card can improve your financial health. Number 1, helps build your credit score. Making transactions with your credit card is very similar to availing loan. So the more you transact with your credit card, all that information will be taken by the credit bureau to calculate your credit score. So the more transactions you make using your credit card, the more better your credit score will be. And remember, a credit score below 750 is considered to be a low credit score and above 750 is a good credit score. Number 2, save money with various card benefits. So every credit card issuer will give you a lot of offers when it comes to shopping, lifestyle, or airport lounges and a lot of other benefits. Especially when it comes to shopping, you will get various discounts from each and every credit card. So if you have a credit card, definitely make use of it and get a lot of discounts when it comes to shopping. Number 3, helps manage cash flow through the interest-free period. Interest-free period of a credit card is the days between the day of the transaction and the due date of its repayment. And this can range anywhere between 18 days to 55 days. So if you are making a repayment between this interest-free period, then as the name says, your transaction will be interest-free. So make full use of this interest-free period and make sure that you repay all your transactions on time. Number 4, credit card EMIs. So all credit cards have this EMI option. So in case you have taken a loan on a credit card, the whole loan amount can be transferred into an EMI payment. And here the interest rate is low and the tenure will go up to 60 days. And not just that, when it comes to shopping for electronic products, you can avail products on EMI if you have a credit card. Number 5, pre-approved loan against your credit card. So credit card issuers often provide a loan against your credit card if you make all your repayments on time. So the loan amount that you will be getting will be similar to the loan amount that you have on your credit card. But sometimes if you're really good with your credit score and your repayments, then they will give you a loan which exceeds the amount that you have in your credit card as well. So these are the 5 ways a credit card can improve your financial health. And that is all for today's video. If you like this video and if you want to learn more about personal finance or how to start a business or how to get into stock markets or mutual funds or any business and farming related courses in 6 languages, then click the link in the description box below and download the Financial Freedom app and start your journey towards becoming rich. And don't forget to use my code NAT. If you use this code, you will be getting 2000 rupees worth scholarship absolutely free. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when we post a new video. I'm Natalia and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com.